Welcome to our quick and easy tutorials. In this video we will show you how to change your channel name. So just simply click on your channel icon in Gmail account and click on your channel. Here simply click on customize channel and click on basic info. Here you can see the name field. Just change the name to the new one and the publish icon will pop up and click on publish. Now your channel name has been successfully changed. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel.